my story is a story that will tell you that a Nigerian from humble background can reach whatever position he wants in this world. I came from a humble background, and I know what I fought before God made me a ICPC chairman. My first contact with corruption, it was in 1998 at the higher institution. That's where I was naive, thinking that merit work. I don't want to go into details. It was there I saw how people in this country are all out, some of people are all out to compromise merit for their own selfish interests. 6 years thereafter, in another tertiary institution, I faced another problem where I saw corruption. I spent 10 years trying to get qualification that I can get within 4 years. Or I can say I spent 5 years to get a qualification which ideally I can get it in 1 year. Why? Because the system does not work well. And some people are manipulating the system for their own selfish interest. So my friends, students here, I want to encourage you, never ever succumb to any intimidation or pressure to give up to corruption because you want to get certificates. Stand firm. Get your education through legitimate means. Today, those that try to put that stumbling block on me, they are seeing me standing firm because I stood my ground that whatever I want to get, I will get it. I promised myself that I would get PhD in law, and I got it. I promised that I would get SAN, and I get it. I got it. So I want to encourage you to stand firm, no matter what. Don't allow anybody to intimidate you. And once you engage in corruption, let me tell you, you have no integrity. And those who are indulging in corruption, once they know you are firm, they will tell others, this young man is stubborn, don't go to him. He's arrogant. Once people start saying that, let me tell you, you're on the right track. But if you feel you can cut corners and you feel somebody, not God, can make you become something, then you are wasting your time. So